Hey, buddy. Wait. Good boy. So, the story of why is my dog's name Yoda? No, it's not Yoda, the little green guy. It's actually Toyota, believe it or not. So, 8 years ago, when we picked up this little nugget, I was horrible with coming up with names, and my girlfriend said, hey, you drive an 85 Toyota. It's a pretty badass truck. Let's name the dog Yoda. And I said, I don't know, we'll see. Ended up going with it. Sold the truck about 2 weeks later. And never owned another Toyota, never interested in one. And now I have a dog named Toyota. And I'm not exactly a Toyota guy. But if you ever hear me calling him, hey Yoda, he's named after a truck that I had 8 years ago, but the name stuck. This is just a Dodge truck, basically a work truck. I picked it up for 10 grand. Did some suspension work here and there. Try to make it a little nicer on the back roads. Some Carly long arms. It's got some power things done to it as well. New turbo. And I'm still into it for less than 15 grand. And it'll get 1,000K to a tank. Not to mention it's a hell of a lot of fun to drive. More room inside to store stuff. I could go on and on really, but again, the point is you don't always have to buy the expensive stuff. Just do what works for you. Your friend has a $70,000 overland rig. Doesn't mean you can't do it too. That's my little unit there. You can get a 12-foot flat bottom, $1,000 or less. Pick yourself up a older 2-stroke or 4-stroke. In my case, that's a Honda 10-horse 4-stroke. It's about $500. And we take it out with the dog, go fishing, go travel all over the lake. See all these new spots I've never seen before. Hey buddy, you wanna go on the boat? Huh? Boat? Boat it is. Hey, we've got the boat out here. Just taking a rip on. What a beautiful lake. Got the 10-horse Honda running like a champ. There really isn't much of a better lake locally once you get out here. Got the captain telling us where to go. Beautiful day out here. Oh yeah, to anyone wondering too, a 10-horse old 4-stroke Honda and a 12-foot flat bottom with your dog on it, it'll go 23 kilometers an hour. I've screwed around and connected 2 same size logs with a hole. Worked out beautiful. What I've done, I've actually turned it into a ladder ball setup. So I've tied some string to some rocks. I've got two racks here on a ladder. So gotta keep yourself entertained when you're by yourself hanging out. I've decided to try, see what I can make. So my girlfriend's very into fitness and the gym and staying healthy. So check this out. Can stay in shape. Just whittled this piece of wood, 2 holes with that drill. You never know when you need to pump some wood and iron. You gotta keep yourself entertained, all right? Eating pistachios, hanging out by the fire. Just did a bunch of chainsawing, got a bunch of wood ready for tonight. Dog's taking a nap in the truck. As it turns out, your shells from a pistachio. Very good fire accelerant. Throw them in. Hang on. Sure enough, they're helping your fire out. Well, it's the late hours of the night. I've had an amazing time here. Sun goes down pretty early, so as soon as the sun went down, started working on building the fire, cutting some wood, and there's no shortage of wood, definitely an abundance around. I pulled out the old Husqvarna Rancher, chopped whatever I could up, and we are enjoying our harvest of wood here, that's for sure. All right, we're just on the way out here, and I gotta say, who needs limb risers when you've got a boat? Well, brush off. Had a good time, he's ready to go home. Same here. People don't like the idea of going out camping by themselves, and they think, oh, my buddies can't come, I can't go now. Well, one thing that I've learned is just go anyways. It's time to enjoy the nature more, it's time to be more creative, it's time to think about all the things in your life and just relax. I just went out for 2 nights, just me and the dog. It was the perfect weekend, other than I didn't have my girlfriend with me. say just try to get out more, even though you're not content with the setup. Like, oh, my friends can't come out. Oh, I don't have this. Oh, I don't have that. Yeah, you can have an amazing time by yourself, just like I did today. I woke up early. It's about 8 o'clock now. I'm fully packed up. I get to see the sunrise as I leave. There's really nothing better than sitting there under the stars by a beautiful lake with a fire, listening to your favorite tunes, and just enjoying yourself. It's like therapy. Beautiful. Look at that.